guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Ashley, and today I'm going to be bringing you a power hour clean with me. There are a lot of things that need to be done around my house today. I'm not gonna really make a list just because everything needs to be done. I'm just gonna set a timer for an hour and go through each room besides the kids' room. One, because Callie is taking a nap, and I am actually hoping that she wakes up before the hour is done because I really need to vacuum. I'm not gonna be going in Ainsley's room just because that's like her space. But the rest of the rooms I'm just gonna walk through, and whatever I see needs to be done, I'm gonna get it done. So if you are looking for some extreme cleaning motivation today, you have come to the right place. If not already subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button below. So I think I have rambled enough. Let's go ahead and get started. I want to start highlighting the ladies that I love watching on YouTube, and the first lady is Yesenia from Yesenia, A Mom's Life. I'm going to link her channel down in my description box in case y'all haven't already checked her out. She is so sweet and brings such great content, cleaning motivation, what's for dinner, shop with me's, decorate with me's, just a lot of fun stuff going on over on her channel. So like I said, I'm going to link her channel down in my description box. I love to watch you guys whenever I am cleaning. So I want to start highlighting the ones that I'm watching, and I just threw Yesenia's channel up on my TV and listened to her as I went through and did my power hour. I love her music choice, but I also love when she does her voiceovers because it kind of feels like somebody is there with me cleaning, which is why I feel like most of us come for these cleaning motivation videos, just because it's no fun cleaning by yourself. You always want to feel like you have a friend. So it's great just having somebody that I can listen to and not feel so lonely. I know that sounds sad, but it's true. So I'm going to start highlighting the ladies that I watch in my videos while I'm cleaning. I think you guys will really enjoy Yesenia's content. Head on over there, let her know that I sent you, and show her some love. My husband brought these cleaning products home from work. He goes to a bunch of different places, and I guess somebody just gave him a box of this Spick and Span cleaning products. I think it's the dollar store brand, but I'm not too terribly sure, so I'm just using it up, and I actually don't mind it. I love the smell of it. Of course, it's not natural or anything, but I have it, so I'm going to use it up, and I really like the way it smells. This was a lavender scent, but not a traditional lavender scent. It was just really fresh, and it actually cleaned pretty well too, so I was pretty impressed.
Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go away.
So I had actually given the kitchen a pretty good deep cleaning the night before, so there wasn't a whole lot I needed to do in here. I just needed to get everything off the counter and unload and load the dishwasher. So this didn't take me a whole lot of time.
And baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Spotlight from my cell phone, sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call, wanna give you my heart, so I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing attention, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Chills, yeah, I get chills when you come. Wanna give you my heart, so don't you let me down. Hey, why you play with my head? Can't you love me instead? I give my all, I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. getting stronger. I'm getting stronger. 'Cause I'm fine on my own. So don't even bother to come back, 'cause I ain't done. I'm fine on my own. And boy, your pretty little lies are getting old. All those late nights I waited for you, they're gone 'cause we are through. All those late nights I waited for you, they're gone 'cause we are through. 'Cause we're through. I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
It is amazing how much you can accomplish in an hour and what that hour can do for your home and your mood. It just makes everything feel so much better when things are put back together the way they're supposed to be, and it's just a lot less stress. I've said it before and I will say it again, less mess, less stress.
Queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let's just
My hour is up, but I got almost everything that I wanted to get done, and Callie is actually still sleeping. I thought that the vacuum would wake her up, but it didn't. Like I said, she can sleep through almost anything. I hope you guys really enjoyed this power hour and got a lot of good cleaning motivation out of it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.
beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.